Hey Rodrigo, how you doing? My name is Lucas. Thank you very much for clicking this video. I just got off the phone with Lucia and I was telling her about this short video of three things that I found in your website that you can fix really easily so you can start bidding Wire Masters Electric. And if you see, these guys are the ones that show on the first page when you look for electricians in Miami. And you can be here really easily by just implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I shoot this video for you, and this is because I know a lot of business owners are really busy helping their clients, and they don't have time to learn how to get the internet bring them more clients. So I find out that by shooting these videos and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners take the information and do it themselves, but some people contact me back and have me do that for them. So to start, I want to talk about content, then backlinks, and then citations. Those are the three main things that Google uses to rank a website on the top. By content, I mean all the words, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind the pictures. On average, a website on the top of Google has around 2,000 words of content. Okay, so if you see your website right here, you have some content, but not too much. If you see these guys over here, they have a bunch of content. Earlier, I put the content on a word counter, and I saw that these guys have around 1,300 words of content, while you on your website just have 180. Right? That is something that you could implement really easily. Just do some more content on your front page and orient it with the keywords that people are looking the most, like Miami electricians, electricians near me, electrician services in Miami, etc., etc. Okay. Second thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Backlinks are basically another website putting a link to your website that drives traffic to it. So Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They love to see relevant websites vouching for your website. But one thing that is important is that it's not as strong as, for example, Pizza Hut mentioning your website that another electric company mentioning your website. Google always like to see companies and websites on the same niche mentioning your website. That's why it gives you the trust and the power to rank properly. Okay, if you take your website here in Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use to check backlinks, for example, you can see here that you have 26 referring domains, which are 26 pages that link back to your site, while Warmasters Electric over here, they have 90, I think, 76 referring domains. Okay, so how you beat them? You just copy them. You blow them out of the water by copy every single one of them. You go here and you make a profile and put a link to your website on every single one of these, because if they're good to ranking them, they're good to rank you. And also you add some more. All right. So that's how you beat them on backlinks. Then you got content, backlinks, and the third thing that I want to talk about are citations. Here on the ads, you get on the top by beating your competition, but citations is what gets you here. This is super important because it's the first thing that people see, okay? In order to get here, you just need more citations than the competition. So in order to beat them, if these guys have 150 or 200 citations, I would go for like 300 or 350. So that way they can never catch up to you. And what is a citation? A citation is your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. And by directories, I mean white pages, yellow pages, Facebook, Yelp, Angie, all that kind of stuff. All right. So a little recap of everything. The three things that you need to implement are content, about 2,000 words on your front page with reaching keywords. You need backlinks. Just copy the backlinks that they have and add some more. And citations, same thing. You can add the same citations that they have, plus adding some extra ones. Okay. And what would be your next step? What I would do is I would try to start implementing all this as soon as possible because it takes some time. So if you like what you see and you want me to do it for you, just get back to me. I'm gonna leave you my phone and my email right here. But if you want to do it yourself and you have any questions or you need some help throughout the process, please again, just feel free to contact me and we'll see. Thank you very much. And I hope you can give me a little bit of feedback on this video because I do these things for free and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.